Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to resolve failed transactions. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you have sent money or if you have received money through any of the banking online platforms, then you may face this problem of failed transaction. So how can you fix one? So first of all, you need to verify that your payment details like card number, CVV, expiry are accurate and that you have sufficient fund. If the error persists, try a different payment method. You can check your internet connection or connect with your bank through any of the online portal or simply contact your bank itself. Once you have done this, you can simply tell them about your problem. You can just query about your account or system failures and you can tell them about the failed transaction. Now, automated reversal typically works within 1 to 3 working days for digital payment. But if you need to file a complaint with your bank, you can simply consult with them, and if the amount is not returned, you can simply tell them that the amount or the transaction has failed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.